Welcome everyone to another weekly nudge with me, Rachel Wayte, over on my YouTube channel. I'm excited to bring you this special, I'm going to say healing today. Normally you see me bringing messages of inspiration, of intuition on this channel, but today I felt inclined to bring you more of a healing, and this healing is going to be all around feeling love. And I don't want you to be switched off by this is going to be corny, it doesn't resonate with me, love, because that's probably a reason why actually you do need to hear this. So for some of you who know me, some of you don't know me, so I'm a sound and energy healer and a spiritual mentor, and I really help people to get unstuck from physical, mental, spiritual, all emotional, should I say as well, emotional blocks that stop us really from fulfilling all that we are, all that we can be, and they sometimes stop us from really making that positive impact that we are here to make in the world. And when I use sound to help people to heal, I actually use my voice. I bring you healing vibrations. I'm a trained classical singer. And actually this gift I want you to bring you today is a healing of sound through love. So if you are feeling like you're feeling a bit low at the moment, you're feeling like you're not able to tap into it as much as you want to, or you're feeling just a bit low and a bit lonely, or that you've been abandoned somehow, or that you're not being heard, you're not being listened to, that you're not being supported, that there's no one here for you, or you feel like maybe the universe or God or angels or whatever resonates with you has left you somehow, I want you to know that is never, ever, ever the case. And I'm going to really channel to you now the sounds, the feelings, the emotions of love that the universe, that God, your angels, guides, whatever resonates with you has for you. And I really want you to feel this today. Put aside all notions of, gosh, what is this? She can't be meaning me. I don't understand how this works. What does she mean by sound healing, feeling love? I just want you to go with this and listen to the sounds, listen to the sounds that come through, because music is so powerful. It can really penetrate the soul on a deep level. So let's just be open to sharing, to listening just for a few moments to this sound healing of love. So just close your eyes a moment. Just breathing in and breathing out. Just take a moment and realize that right now, or just acknowledge, or maybe just accept that right now, surrounding you is this amazing light team. Or you could just visualize or feel or imagine yourself being encircled in this light, this positive, loving light, whatever color that may resonate with you. Maybe it's pink, maybe it's green, maybe it's orange, maybe it's yellow, maybe it's golden, but this light is here for you. It is surrounding you, it loves you, it understands you, it is here for you, and it wants you to know that you are loved. And if there's any sadness that needs healing, if there's any uncertainty around this, allow this healing now to flow into you, right into your heart, and just accept. Have this feeling of acceptance right now for this. hope you felt that frequency, that vibration, that frequency, that vibration, that sound was pure heavenly sounds of love. It's the only way I can describe it. So I hope you took what you needed from that today. I hope that touched you deep inside and you were able to feel that. You were able to feel how much love there is that surrounds you, that is always there for you. And I'm just very blessed that I'm able to come on and share that with you, just as a reminder to know that you aren't alone in this world, and that there is this bigger dimension of energy that wants to support you, that is here to support you. And sometimes you just need to ask it to come in, ask it to help you, because it will flood in. It will flood in and surround you. Sometimes it's a matter of believing and trusting that it's there, and it is there. So sending you much love for the week ahead. As ever, subscribe to this channel. Check out the other videos on this channel. There may be just the odd one that jumps out that you feel like you should listen to, and hopefully that's going to help to support you as well. And if you'd like to get to know about me more, get to know about working with me either privately or in more of a group situation, then do go to my website, rachelwayte.com, and I will see you all next week for another weekly nudge. Thank you. Bye.